Welcome. Okay, wicked. Welcome to London. Right, so that's welcome. I'm just gonna put Instagram, all that good stuff. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join. See you there, guys. There. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Right. Let's get the show on the road over here. Let's fix this. Oh my god. Ooh. Holy smokes, we're looking bearish still. Nice. So let me get rid of this. Let's just look at Forex Factory before I do anything. The JPY news actually, but there's no pound news, so we're all good for that. Let's start doing analysis then. So the 4 hour over here is here. This is the 4 hour. Flip is time. Get daily is also bearish. Just like yesterday's was, just continuing the bearish momentum over here. It's pushing down quite a lot actually, so since 7 o'clock. Yeah, it's moving quite a bit. Oh wait, oh shit, I don't mean to do that. What the fuck happened there? Okay, so yeah, we are heading down. I'm trying to look for the left hand side to see where support is. So you can start to see 30-minute support is right around this area. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. 15-minute has a little more of the bodies over here, so it'd probably be safer to wait a bit lower down. I feel we are very, very bearish, which is the good part. I think may want to wait until we get past the 15-minute, because if you get into sells like around about here with the 30-minute, it's only 7 pips to the 15. I think waiting could be better. The hourly also, like, look at these top bottom wicks over here. There's quite a lot of wicks. I don't want to wait to see if we're getting this closure. But yeah, so 4 hour daily, all of them are bearish. We do have resistance right around this area, 156.191. Okay, so what I'm really looking for is just a closure below. I think could do preferably that on the 30-minute. Or I could wait on the 15s. I'll wait until we get a 30 close, I think, and then maybe we can have a look. 1 second. So yeah, that's what I'll probably wait for. Beautiful. So not too hard on GJ today. I think I just need to wait for a nice closure, and then we can have a look. So for me, this like right here is a no trade zone. In this little zone over here. So this kind of zone from like here to here is a no trade zone for me. However, if we do come below and get a closure, I think this could look pretty solid. Closure below 155.920. Wicked. Very, very nice. So simple. Keep your chart easy, and yeah, beautiful. So let's take a look at some more charts over here. Zoom's following nice right now. Also, people in Zoom, I need to ask. I've asked it before, but I need to ask who is this person? Who is I'll get in a second. this person here. Anthony Ogunjin. It could be Tony as well. Could be a Tony. Because they haven't paid this month, so I have to go and sort that out. It could be Tony, actually. I'll have to check in the chat. If it is you, just tell me, then we can have a chat and see what we can do. So yeah, let's take a look at GBP AUD as well. We'll take a look, see how we're doing. Ooh, nothing much has really changed for me personally there. It looks like it's kind of just chilling. Let's take a look at the 4 hours. So let's just move the 4 hours to here. Rejecting the highs again. So you can see the price kind of came back up here and here. Couldn't close above, and now it's kind of just relaxing. So rejecting the highs, coming down. So for me, I'm going to be waiting for probably sells below. Let's take a look. So how big is, if I waited for closures below over here, how far is that? 40 pips. Trying to see if there's any more supports. There's kind of one over here. Like there. Yeah, for me it's too choppy. Possibly sells back down to this lows, but how far is that? So Audi's got 36 minutes left. To be honest, it seems pretty nice to continue back down to the lows, but the risk to reward isn't that good. But if you get closures below here, because this one was this, yeah, this is like at the end of the day, so it isn't too important. If you do get closures below the 1.82800, I think it could be good to continue. I think we could. Let me just get rid of our trade that we did yesterday. The GJ sells, which ran like 100 pips for some people, which is pretty nice. So yeah, GBP AUD, not the most interesting. The daily though is quite interesting. So on the daily flip, that'd be pretty nice, and that's where we're looking for kind of sells, because I'll be flipping the daily, making the top wick, making the top wick, sorry, and then yeah, I'll be looking like this. So that'll be pretty nice actually. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that for sure. But this is kind of, I mean, it's okay taking trades here, but it's just a bit in this range. I don't really like that. I think sells below will be a bit nicer. And let's take a look at gold as well. Just need to do some. Right, gold. You are gold, gold. Lovely. I was trying to take some gold buys over here on the stream yesterday here, NY stream, but I unfortunately missed it. I was talking too much. Let's do a fresh analysis on the gold. Get this all off. So start on the higher time frames. Paint the picture with the higher time frames. Make it easier for yourself. So you can see the daily is bullish. The last one made support. You see that? Last one made support. 4 hour bullish. Okie dokie. Hourly over here. Coming back, and it's kind of tapped the resistance that I expected it to do, which is right around the zone. So I'm looking at the candles to the left. Got here and here. That's okay. Had a little support. Let's take a look. Actually, this is the 30 minute. So yeah, I kind of made support on where resistance was before, right here. So it's kind of in this zone. If you do get breaks above 1803, we could continue back up to these highs over here. There is a minor resistance at 1805, but I think with volume it could be pretty good to continue. Tasty, very, very nice. Why can't I see the chat? Oh, there, now I can. Please increase sound. Oh, sorry guys, sorry guys. Oh my god, I've just seen the chat, holy shit. Please increase the sound of what? My mic? How is it now? Turn up volume. Guys, volume very, very low. Please increase. Is this on my mic?
Sounds fine to me. Nice and loud. Clear.
Yeah. Oh, it's good now. I think before it was a bit bad. Okay, wicked. Dude, zoom side's fine. Okay, wicked. I think we're good. So what people have said, morning. Mariano Gomez has sent me a chart. Beautiful. I'll take a look at that. I will take a look. Let's see. Yeah. 42 people in the YouTube already. Damn. Let's take a look. Oh, invalid chart over here. Oh, that'll be why. I think here. Oh,
Dumbo, the Dumbo.
chart not found, unfortunately. Let's get Jay off over here. Chart not found, my boy. You sent me the wrong chart, unfortunately. Oh, looks like gold's already pushing. Flipping the hourly, coming towards resistance. Nice. Looks like GJ over here tapped our zone. We were looking for closures below, and it kind of retraced. Wow, yeah, it's quite choppy. I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit risque, especially in this zone. You need to be very, very careful. Sorry, I sent my link many times. My message wasn't showing my chat. Welcome everyone. Got my magic keys pad today. Noticing some lag when I press a button, especially when the blue light turns off. It has to be awakened. What are your thoughts between the two versions? What do you mean the two versions? Like the handheld one and the on-screen one? I've never had the handheld one, so I'm assuming there will be a little lag. But like for market pennies, you normally do buy stops and sell stops anyway. It's not too bad. Hello from Serbia again. Yesterday was mad, bro. Yeah, boy. And the day before, we've been eating every single day this week in London. Oh, my chest is feeling a bit better today, but yesterday was fucking awful. Oh my god. Yeah, looks like the 4 hours continuing over here. It's looking pretty good actually. Gold's really starting to push up. With this 7 o'clock, look at that volume. But yeah, I mean, you currently buy in here because you know that you have like upcoming resistance here, you have resistance here, so if you got in early, then you can expect price to push through it with volume, but a stop loss or break even it will be. Hello from Las Vegas. Wow, Las Vegas. They're from India. Wow, we got a lot of people new here. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed on the stream yet, what are you guys doing? Yesterday we had the most liked stream I've ever had. It was like 112 or some shit. I was like, damn. So yeah, I'm waiting on GJ. GJ doesn't look the best. It looks like it is in this range. I'm not going to be trading this range because it'll be too choppy. Too choppy. And yeah. Do you know some channels that stream like you? Yeah. A lot of my friends stream similar to me. Oh. Hey, sexy. Hello. Wow, it's only 7:30 as well. We've already got 46 people in. Sheesh. Looks like GA is coming down here now. So 30-minute time frame's down to push. Kind of a closure below with the top wick. Yeah. Pretty nice coming to the lows, and then maybe closures below. That'll be flipping the daily time frame here. Looking pretty good to continue. Hello from North Korea. Ah, yes. North Korea. So yeah, I mean, an early entry in this zone would have been probably here. So, you know, this is kind of support. You can see price came down, held support. This candle's closed below. Wait for the top wick at 7 o'clock, and then the drive down. So I'd be at break even right now. I hit about 10 pips. I probably would have closed some and see how far it can continue. Let's see. Yesterday's. 1 second. We got Dr. Dollar in the building on his stream. Nice.
I'll get right to it. My name's Nick. I'm just some bald guy who trades, and I share everything.
I'm just some bald guy who trades. Go say hi to Dr. Dollar if you can. Oh, What is he in over here?
Nothing happening today. is on
He
my toilet, my
he
dude.
took a minus 10 pips on GJ over here. Nice. Which is good risk management. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm not getting into any GJ until we come down over here. I think that'll be much better. You've been a gold trade for an hour and 30? What? Gold trade? Really? For nice buys? I mean, to be honest, this candle closure here is 5 o'clock was nice. To be fair, all of these candles here is bullish. 155.944 looking for sells. Yeah, that kind of level, yeah. Sure thing, that's what I'm looking for too. Hopefully we can get it. You know, all the higher time frames are with us here. And let's just think of some zones where we could potentially go to if we break them low. So, you know, I am also knowing that it is a 4-hour support. It's quite a big support, so we do need to be careful. But if we do break these lows, then obviously the next zones we could probably go to is we look left. We look where the last resistance was, which is here. So this could act as support, which actually makes sense because you've got some wicks here. And then furthermore, if we exceed that, then we're coming down to these lows over here. 155369. Which is pretty tasty. So we've got a, you know, big zones to continue down. Very, very easy. So yeah, we just have to wait, see if London gives us some nice volume over here. Could you please tell us some channel names for FX Streamer? Is it for London or for NY? London or NY? You tell me. You tell me. Same entry as Nice. So looks like you got in 1800. 15 looks quite chalk, to be honest. Is it with the hourly? Yeah, it looks like the kind of the hourly over here. So you're looking for NY streamers. We've got Control FX. We've got Wicks Don't Lie. They're the ones that I'll probably know, to be honest. They're the ones that I'll probably know. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I think we are, you know, I think we're on track to hit 2,000. Maybe for like January or something. 1,305. Sheesh. That's some good shit. 1,205. Damn, son. 117 views today already. Beautiful. You entered on the hourly. Yeah. I thought you would have. So this one here probably would have been the runner would have been caught out over here. Would have got 10 pips though, which is not too bad. Max, do you have any books you have read or would recommend for psychology mindset? I'll just write a bit. The Disciplined Trader by Marcus Douglas. Ooh, that could be quite a good one. I just read Trading in the Zone. That's the only one I read. Trading in the Zone, because it's very, very good. Yeah, for the mentorship group actually today, I'm going to be filming a discipline webinar. And then I might do another webinar as well. But yeah, Trading in the Zone is very, very good. Trading in the Zone is meant to be good. Yeah, man, I got a lot of quotes on them. One second. Yeah, it's just nice because like you can relate to it, and then you know it is very, very good. I'll show you one of the quotes. It basically talks about how it's just your mindset. Like, look, so show traders that more or better market analysis is not the solution to their trading difficulties of lack of consistent results. Instead, to show traders that it's attitude and state of mind that determines these results. Very, very true. If your mentorship had nudes of you, I'ma join. But not right now, I'm a fat bug. I just did some meal preps yesterday. They're banging meal preps. Look pretty nice. Can't wait to have some. Wow, 48 people already, like 7:30. Jeez. It's gonna be a good day. Gonna be a good day. Yeah, it looks like gold is kind of respecting that resistance over here. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours just gradually coming up as the day goes on. Daily did make some support yesterday. It was pretty clean. But yeah, I'm kind of really focusing on GJ over here. See if we can get a trade. But to be honest, you know, London's been very, very good this for the past like 4 days, 3 days. So you can't really do it. I'll see if Mariano's chart is working now. Let's take a look over here. Nah, it doesn't work, bro. I don't know what you're doing wrong, but you're doing something wrong. You just go onto your thing, you go on the camera, you press copy link to chart. Like that. And then you get the link, you post it in here, and then you give me this bit. Oh shit, I know why. I know why. You didn't give me the X bit. 1 second. Did you buy Shiba? No. I did not buy Shiba. That still doesn't work. I don't know, bro. I did not buy Shiba. Yeah, look, see, so tapped our resistance over here, respecting it in the moment. That's all Gucci. That's all Gucci. Not a trading related quote, but my favorite quote is, if you don't build your dreams, someone will hire you to build theirs. That's true. Very, very true. That is very, very true. Did you buy Shiba? Let's take a look at some more coins, because I've got XRP, I've got Cardano, I've got some other ones. Let's take a look, see what it's like. I know yesterday was a dump and a half. Yeah, it's still quite bad. Damn, son. Your favorite trading fair. Let's drink some more water, stay hydrated, ready for the London Open very, very soon. We only got 56 people in here. Did you place any trades yet? Nope. Because there is no trades to take. There are no trades to take over here. Absolutely zero. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you guys doing? Make sure to subscribe. I'd love to hit 1500 by November. That'd be pretty good. So 200 more. If you guys haven't subscribed, just whack that like button, subscribe button. I'm posting some YouTube video this week. Probably about magic keys, I think. I'm in that's in 60 cents we lit in here. Nice. Yeah. I had XRP in 2018, 2017 as well. Yeah, boy. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the closures. All good, all good. But we can just chill. 21 people in Zoom as well, filling up nicely. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find who this person is over here. If you guys, so it's either Anthony or Tony. Is there a Tony in our group? Let's just check over here. Let's just check. Look, there's no one that's called Anthony or Tony. Like, come on, fuck's sake. So I had to go back on the day and see who came on that day, because yeah, no good, no good. So yeah, we're just chilling, not too bad. It's showing us private tour. What's Ivs doing? Is Ivs on here? So it looks like GA is coming back up. Ivs. He's vibing. Wow, looks like GA has come back up over here. And GJ is just ranging, which is fine. That last try. Okay, let's take a look over here. Let's see if this is gonna work. There we go. There we go. So GJ over here, weekly bear, bullish rejection, daily is bearish, wait for closures below to form new low. Sells below, so you're looking at the sells below 155.702. Yeah, okay. You wouldn't want to get in a bit earlier, that's fine. And buys above, yeah, I think buys above 156.520 could be pretty good. Nice, I think that'll be working quite nicely. For me, I'd happily get in a bit lower because we've got London volume and have to wait until we hit the wick because that'll be a nice wick fill to get in. Beautiful. Yeah, it's mainly the 30-minute closing below in 17 minutes time. If not, then I'm gonna have to wait. And yeah, I mean, let's take a look for buys as well. I mean, potentially closes above. I don't have the daily on me, but I do have the 4-hour if we come above over here, so not too bad. Wow, look at that. I mean, you know, don't be greedy. As I said, if you got into trades over here, this should have been a take profit. Because there's resistance to the left, so why would you keep it on anymore, man? Why you feel lazy? What? Lazy? Lazy? I don't feel lazy, boy. God, GJ's lazy today. Holy smokes. Yeah, GJ is lazy over here. Very, very lazy. Choked. Yeah, very, very choked. Calling Max Greasy square up. What was the what was the match score yesterday? Oh shit! West Ham beat them. 0-0. They must. What was the lineup? Wait. Starting lineup. Let's take a look, because I expect for Carabao they don't really play the best players. Let's take a look. Come on, load up, man. Load up, man. Didn't you watch it at the pub? No, I did not. Yesterday, I was knackered yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I was in bed, man. I had to sit down. My chest was too fucking sore. Oh fucking hell, man! Just show me a picture. Oh my god. Oh, here. Walker, Stones, Zinchenko. Still a good team on, man. Still had a pretty decent team. Well, that's a shame. West Ham are good, to be fair. They deserve it. GJ coming up over here now. Ooh, if this hourly closes in 40 minutes time like this, damn. It's really rejecting these lows. Really rejecting the lows. So for me, oh, it's so choppy over here. 30. I think waiting for the 30 minutes close is going to be a good option for me. I think getting in here early here could be very, very silly to do. And I don't take silly trades, I take good trades. I take very, very good trades. I take very, very clean trades. If you go back on my trades this week, we've been very, very good. Very, very good. $37 likes, 55 viewers. Let's try and get a subscriber here. I want to hear the button. I want to see the Wolf of Wall Street, man. Someone subscribe, man. Yeah, nothing really much today. Nothing really much that's catching my eye. That's good. Analyzing that and knowing that is great. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about one of the webinars this week is going to be about discipline, and then yeah, the simulation session I'll do today as well. Because discipline is a key thing you need for trading. If you don't have it, oof. If you don't have discipline, self-discipline, it's not too good. Not too good. But actually, to be honest, I might do the discipline one the weekend. We'll have to see. Because last week's one I did psychology anyway, so I might do more analysis and zones and stuff. 61 viewers just ready for London Open. It's going to be pretty good. To see if we get a closure above this little resistance that we've formed. I also see there is hourly resistance here as well, so I'd probably prefer it above like all of this. It's just quite choppy around this area, which is a bit of a pain. If you do exceed the previous the previous high of the 4 hour, then there's good confirmation as well. I take 45 trades a day, number one discipline. I was looking for the confirmation bias video last night, I couldn't find it. Confirmation bias, what is that? If the daily flips, we could retest 156860. 156860? Like here? I think if the daily flips, we could first of all come to 528. And if we do exceed here, we could come to 751. That'd be my target. Because when it came up before, it was here. So either 700. Oh, confirmation buyer. Do you mean forex like best entries? Because that's there, but confirmation bias. I didn't think I've done one of them. I don't think I have done one of them, unfortunately. Wow, really good rejection there. Damn, is there any news later on? 1:30 we got GDP. Ho. Previous 6.7%, now 2.6%. So it looks like it could be quite a big of a rally for gold today. Maybe. GJ price action to the left looks dirty. Yep. Very, very true. And if you know that, and you know you're starting to see it doesn't look as good as like maybe yesterday or the day before, then you know maybe not take a trade, or maybe look at a different chart. No, identifying that is all about the process of doing it. God, that cup of coffee has way too much sugar in it. Oh my god. Fuck. If it does get a solid hourly closure here and then makes a lower wick, rejects the lows again, then it's good. It's good, but there is a lot of traffic to the left. But we are in the high volume times. Could be okay. We'll just have to see. Also, guys, make sure to, as I said, you know, at the end of the month, or maybe actually no, I started this at like mid month. Make sure to go to my Instagram and always comment on my posts, because then you automatically get entered into a Magic Keys giveaway every single month. So look here, 11 people. So for example, at the end of the month, I'm going to pick one of the things in the month, one of the posts. I'm going to pick on one. So for example, if I pick on this one here, there's a 1 in 3 chance that these guys could win. Okay, so the more people like it, so the more you comment on each one, the more chance you get to win Magic Keys. Sugar in coffee. Wait, do you not have any sugar in coffee? Oh. So yeah, like I could pick this one over here. That'd be 1 in 3 chance. That'd be pretty good. Could pick this one. This would be 1 in 9 chance. Very, very nice. So yeah, make sure you go follow my Instagram. It's in the chat right now. And And yeah, we just chilling. We just chilling. 8 minutes left. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. Just come and relax. I won't be too long. I thought there was a W, for fuck's sake. Okay, so we're going to be getting closure here, quite a strong hourly closure, which is decent, but I'm going to be a bit cautious, and you know, what I want is the hourly to then come down, tap the zone it's going to be leaving, which is this one, and then flip, but getting in now is too risky, and very, very silly, so you have to wait patiently. But potentially, if you get a closure like this, just like this candle did here, lower wick. But at the moment, I can't get into anything. Wow, that's retraced. Oh shit! Look at the 5 minute. Holy fuck! Nice. Make a clean graphic to continue down. Doesn't look like it's coming down. Looks like it's coming up over here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so we're going to be passing the daily, which is the 4 hour resistance. Holy shit. It's flying, boy. I mean, wicked. But yeah, I have to wait for this closure. Getting in now would be very, very stupid and very, very risky. Kind of want to, because you've already pushed up quite a lot, I'm trying to see where I could get in. You have resistance here now. Made it 7 o'clock. It's just not nice traffic here, to be honest. That's the reason I don't like it. It's just not the cleanest. It's not the cleanest. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Coming up 70 viewers, ready for 8 o'clock, like we always are here every single day. So keep the higher time frames in mind. We're going to be flipping the daily. A big higher time frame flipping. What's it reacting off? So can you see what it's doing? So before, resistance was here, and now it's acting as support. Shock horror. We see this happen all day, every day. Stick that mic in your face. Max, you won a trade while you were gone. No, you didn't. Sweetener for coffee. Nah, man. Sweetener's got like cancer and shit. I swear, that's a thing. So 3 minutes time getting a closure. I'm trying to look to the left. Like, I mean, there's clean candles here, but off. I see like resistance here. I don't know. I don't like it. And yeah, I want to keep my win rate very, very nice. So potentially, I think there's traffic here as well as the issue. It's just not nice. It's just not nice, boy. Put your mic closer. All right. God dang it.
Gold and GJ look the same, mate.
Yeah, just a bit. Shit. Gold's rejected, and then GJ's coming up, but let's call it a day from now. Hell no. Nah, I still think buys are going to be valid. It's just where, because what I'm thinking of is, right, could we get in above this resistance here? Well, yeah, there's 18 pips, but it's a bit shit traffic here. Getting in a bit lower to then flip the daily could be nice. I think if we make a nice bottom wick here, I think we should be good to then push it through the daily. I think that could be an option. So if you get a closure just like this, just like what these candles did here, next one comes down, makes a low wick, flips, probably exceeds the high I'd really get in. So I'll get in like this. Oh shit. Expecting price to continue, stop loss below. That's what I want, but I want this candle to kind of close above this little resistance I've made. I cut to 28 peeps, I'm gonna go sleep. Nice. Oh my god, my head, this headset, man, fucking hurting me. Yeah, it's just gonna be an interesting session today. I just want this nice strong closure and then see how far this low it can go. But can you see in the 30-minute here? That's where I want to really close above. Wait, Sashin found that guy's Facebook. Ah, my boy. I'll take a look at it. Cause yeah, I just don't know what his name is in Telegram, so I'm just like, what the fuck? This drone is a strong 4-hour zone. This is a strong hour support. This is a strong resistance, but if we do break above it over here, it could be continuing. I think there is not much to trade at GJ in London. I'm confident trading in this range. Probably wait for the trend to happen and trade it pre-NY. Yeah. If GJ rejects 800, is it risky to look for sales if it closes back in the range below 400? If it rejects 800, like over here, that's quite far away. That's quite far away over here. I do not know. So, 30 seconds time, getting a closure now. Okay. Looking pretty good. 47 likes. Let's try and get to 50 likes before 8 o'clock. Let's try and get it. Try and get it. 2 more likes. Beautiful. But it is making some support, which is good. I'm trying to think, how far is it from here to here? So yeah, 20 pip zone to the highs, which is quite tasty. And what I'm really wanting is this 30 to close above here. Come on, close above, you pussy. Okay, so this candle over here didn't close above. Therefore, for me, there's nothing. Because price action's already pretty ass. Very bad price action, and I'm not taking because this 30-minute didn't close above. So this can happily run off without me, but I'm not asked in the slightest. Just take a trade. Buys above 530. Yeah, potentially to continue back up. Yeah. I think so. So yeah, I still wouldn't even be in this trade anyway because the hourly's got such a small lower wick, not asked in the slightest. But yeah, potentially buys above 520. It's kind of got clean candles to the left here to the highs. Could be good. Let's see how big the zone is. Yeah, 18 pips, not too bad. So
Well, it's a bit bearish on the 4-hour or the daily, man.
Daily has just fit bullish, but yeah, on the long run, it's not for buyers. Yeah, exactly. That's why it's nicer to look for sells, but breaking structures here is still pretty bullish. But yeah, I'm not gonna be too interested in this at the moment Because the hourly hasn't made a big lower wick for me, unfortunately. So get in here, it could be nice, could work out. It's already gone 10 pips, but for me, it's not a good setup that I want to take. I'm trying to think like all the setups that we have, that we've looked at, and it's not really in any of them. So we know it's not kind of a probable trade.
Yeah, that's. I just want to say, not that I'm a teacher or anything, but if I'm ever making an impulse entry, it's obviously the same theory will go up time frame, looking at obviously the higher time frame, seeing what the structure is, if it's going on a bullish or a bearish kind of momentum, then you get a little bit of an indication, and I suppose you can take a little bit more of a risk if you feel like it's going in the way it's going. But
yeah, you can. But the main issue for me is that if you took an impulse here, where's your stop?
Yeah, that's right.
Here, like you know what I mean? It's just like, it's just not valid. Like, your stop's gonna be huge.
Yeah.
Whereas if you go to a stream like yesterday, our stop were beautiful. Like, we had 5 pip stops. Whereas here, you know, you can't really put it anywhere. Like, I don't know. I just don't think it's a valid setup. It's because, and the main reason is because the traffic to the left here putting us off. The daily already, yeah, even though it's just flipped bullish, it's pretty bearish as a whole. You know, it's not like it's not, you know, very bullish. And for the fact that the hourly hasn't made a big lower wick. If this hourly at the start did this, and then came down like this, and then started flipping, then that's good, because it's kind of rejecting these lows. It's coming back down, rejecting these lows, and then flipping and continuing to the next zone. But because it's just made such a small one, for me it's just not enough. This one here, too small, man. But that's okay. Let's take a look at gold. 1 second. Yeah, gold's chilling on that resistance. Couldn't get a closure above, so I'm not really that interested.
It's going up nice though, mate. It's going up nice on that GJ.
Yep, that's fine. It's good. Good. What was that? 7:30. Yeah, nice.
Breaking structure as well. Now to the hour.
10 minutes caught on the break of the high. Beautiful, nice. Some people caught this trade. Nice, got up to 10 pips. Should be continuing. Pretty tasty. Same thing, no good for stop this trade. Exactly. Stop for me was not that good. So someone who got in this trade, let's see, Steven, where did you put your stop loss over here? I took an entry in the daily flip. Beautiful, yeah, daily flip would have worked nicely. But the issue is just where was your stops? If it went, you know, this is nice, it's just pushed beautifully. But what are the times are when price isn't going the right way? Are you just going to hold a 20 pip stop, or? Because we don't do that. We like nice tight stop losses, especially if you counter trend in a range. Oof. 15-minute wick. What, here? Oh wow. Okay, she got in on the high with it. Yes, 10 pip stop. Not too bad. Okay, I put stops below the current 1 hour with reduced risk. The current 1 hour, nice. Yeah, same as 15, beautiful. Bottom wick wasn't it for me, plus a 4 in the first minute, exactly, man. I just get into like waiting the first 2-3 minutes for the low to be formed. Got in as I broke the previous high, beautiful. Yeah, that's what Steven did as well. Nice. So for me, I think buys now are going to be nice above over here. 156, 550. Push stop loss to break even. Yeah, should continue to fill up this range for sure. GBP AUD is just chilling. It doesn't look nice, to be honest. The 4 hour looks nice. But the hourly looks pretty choked over here. Are you in a trade? Nope. Nope, and nope. Yeah, it's coming up though, which is nice for gold. I just think that 30-minute rejecting this resistance here was quite a big no-no. But if you get a closure above, it'd be nice to come back up to 1808. A little bit of a resistance, 1805. That could be good too. I'm gonna go see you guys. I called GJ. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if we can continue over here. So hopefully, guys, you're taking some profits because it's ran 10 pips and it's tapped kind of a zone where it could reject. Don't be greedy and hold it on. You have to, you know, use your runner to do that. Use your runner to do this.
I've got a trade idea to run past you, Max. So looking at GA on the 15-minute, it's kind of broke below like a little resistance. It's tried to break it, but it's broke below. Would you consider on the next candle, if it retraced up, entering on the flip of the candle for a sell?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. The only issue I have is that fucking 30-minute closing back in that zone. A bit of a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the 15 closing below over here could be nice. Let's look at the hourly. Oh, it's the hourly as well. Yeah, probably not for me. I mean, if this hourly and the 30-minute wasn't too bullish over here and closing back above. So for example, if this candle here, this 30-minute, closed like this, like just like there, below this zone here, and then this candle drove down and maybe exceeded the low here, that's good. But because it's closed back in this range, it's just a bit of a fucking pain in the ass. Same with the hourly, like even though it looks like it's coming down here, this hourly could easily make wicks like it's just done before here, and then flipping and continue back up, so making the lower wick and then continuing. But it makes sense for me. It's just only the hourly and the 30-minute against you, really.
Yeah, that's cool. I just thought I'd run that past you before I do anything impulsive.
Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours looking good, rejecting the highs though. It is looking pretty good. I just think it's just choppy, man. It's just choppy. Like, look at this shit. It's just fucking choppy stuff. Like, you know, what I always like say to myself now is, right, because now if you guys look at my Instagram is just a bunch of all of my winning trades. So when we're looking at our winning trades here, you know, what's kind of the correlation? Right, so look here. Look to the left. There's fuck all there. Look, whereas this is what we're looking at now in GJ and GA, right here. All this shit. 1 second. I'll go back in a second. Yeah, all of this shit. That's what we're looking at right now. And I don't take trades in the areas, but if you look at all, like if you go past all of them, look here as well. Look, clean candles, we're just melting. Same thing here again. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so it's just very, very clean. So I kind of stay away from that bullshit. Yeah, fucking hell! Look how many sells. Like, look how similar these trades are. Like all of them. Just following the trends and clean candles, isn't it? Look at this one here. This one's making some support. Kind of still clean though. Yeah, I kind of stay away from them little dog shit zones like here. Thanks for teaching us to stay disciplined. Even though it looks good but wasn't worth the risk, I would take an impulse, but my stop loss would have been too big. Exactly. If I would have taken an impulse too, if it made a lower wick in the first 3 minutes and made a nice 10 pip stop. But it made the lower wick fucking instantly. And you can see now it's kind of struggling, and this is why, because the hourly hasn't like properly made the low wick yet. So let's see if we actually get a closure, if we exceed their own low, because I can put some money on that. It probably will, to be honest. Because that's very, very small wick for the hourly, like the hourly time frame, especially with volume. Like, look at this one before. Like, yeah, these ones are quite small, but that's because it was at the end of the day. I think for stuff like that, for moves like this, guys, that you want to be in and out at break even very, very quickly, because it hasn't broke above resistance here, and the hourly hasn't made much of a bottom wick. So if you do get into impulses, you got to have your stops to break even pretty quickly. So let's see if there's closure. 4 minutes time. Yeah, it's just shit traffic, really. Not nice. Stuff like this though, this is pretty good. I kind of want to look at these moves more. These happen quite a lot in GA. Just like bearish through Asian, and then just pound just picks that bitch up. Resistance forming here as well, nice. What time was this at? 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. Yeah, not too shabby. Yeah, so it looks like gold is really respecting that over here. 87 viewers, 60 likes. Make sure you get them likes up, guys. Try and hit some nice likes. Looks like a lot of people, you guys, are commenting on my Instagrams now to be entered in Magic Keys. Good stuff. So let's look at the 5 minute now. Kind of ejected over here. So hopefully people who were in this trade weren't greedy little shits and got out. You're up like 13 pips, so you should have. You shouldn't have been too greedy. But I know some of you here, someone put your hand up saying that you took this trade and didn't take any profits. Did anyone on Zoom come in here and take a trade and not take any profits? Was anyone being greedy today? Max, look what I asked, mate. Wait, where? I need help to customize the FN keys on Magic Keys. Oh, is that what you... I can't even fucking do it. I haven't done it, but I'm sure I could find out. I'm sure I could find out, boy. Let's take a look for some charts for the stream today. Okay, so... Okay, so Zeki over here. So, risky buys above 260. Yep, they would have played out pretty decently. Sells below 155932. That's what I'm looking for too. And a buys of 156526. Really nice. Nice. Okay, pretty good. Looks pretty solid. Very, you know, clean charts. This is what it's gonna be. You're gonna be having nice, clean charts so you can identify them very nicely. Make sure to send some more charts in. Try and do some different what's it called? Pairs. We'll take a look at some more pairs. Also, if you're in Discord, make sure to like this, not like this, tick this box so you can actually see our channels and stuff. I'm going to be doing a big update with this very soon. I do say this every week, but I am going to be doing it. I'm just so busy at the moment. I'm a busy boy, man. 62 like. I'll buy a lottery ticket hoping to get lucky with 62. So it looks like it is coming down, yeah. Because, you know, it's counter trend. Look how bearish we are. So when you're doing like kind of counter trend, I know, like, you know, the 4 hours bullish and stuff, but like in general, like look at yesterday, big pull down. Same with the day before. If you counter trend, you can still take trades, but normally it's a lot harder. It's like having like a magnet pulling like against you when you're going like out the counter trend. It's just a lot harder. Like if you stick with the trend like yesterday, you just fly. Like it's a lot easier to take trades. A lot easier. I haven't seen any subscriber notification today, man. Where are they? Where's subscriber notification, boy? But yeah, like this kind of zone for me is just kind of, I'm just not liking it. I don't like it. No likey. No like it. No latte. Yeah, 15 minute higher, 30 minutes looking a bit chalked. Yeah, beautiful. So tomorrow as well, let's see if we got any news for London. Oh my god, a lot of news tomorrow. Holy smokes. Yeah. 9:30. We have some mortgage stuff. Okay. Very easy. And that is at 9:30, so we're not too bad. We normally take trades before then, so that's good. Oh yeah, also, this is going to be quite confusing for people because I don't think other people's times change. But in the UK, our times go back. I think our times go back. But what I realised last year was that obviously I'm waking up now like at 7 o'clock, which is actually 8. But normally the moves are actually happening at 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna have to try and start the stream earlier. But anyway, it's confusing because no one else in the UK changes times. Do they? Do people outside the UK like change their clocks like forward or back? Someone tell me.
Yeah, we do in Australia, Maxie.
You do? Okay. So you guys do.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Because the issue that I realised that last year was the moves were happening at 7 o'clock now, and it's because the clocks go back. And like, you know, trading and stuff and volume is just like computer based. It doesn't really change. Oh, so you all do it? All right, so we should be
I think
okay.
I think everyone does it, mate.
Oh fuck. Okay.
The only one who doesn't do it is Erdogan from Turkey.
Oh, sick. Okay, so everyone
Suddenly
does
said
it.
no one's doing it no more.
Okay, so if I well, I'll start. I'll just see how it goes. With just doing the same time. But if I start to see that moves are happening before, I'll start the stream an hour before. Australia changed a couple of weeks ago. Like, I think ours is this weekend. I think, or next weekend, something like that. It's this weekend, yeah. Yeah, because I remember last year I was like, why are the moves happening at 7 AM now? And I realised, like, you know, the charts and stuff in other places. If you guys have already gone back, it's just confusing. I don't know why we do it. Apparently, the reason we did it was just like it was good when we did it, but now it's fucking useless. Is something about fishing or something? I don't know. Why? What's it called? The clocks, yeah. Is that the actual reason? I swear it's not that, and I swear GMT is actually wrong. We should have like GMT +1. I think it's like a bit fucked up. I think it's like really old shit. Here about.
Yeah, I think it's something to do with that. You know where it gets darker earlier.
Yeah.
I think this goes back. I mean, I'm not 100%, but I'm just trying to think out the box. Where it gets darker earlier, and the way they used to tell time was obviously through shadows, weren't it?
Yeah.
And the sun.
Yeah.
So it kind of has to mirror that, and it's been doing it for many years. And I just think it's habitual. I think they've just stuck to it.
Yeah. It's mad.
And obviously, it gives you that kind of. If we stuck to what we stuck to, and when it does go, it goes darker. I think people are getting depressed and getting suicidal because it was dark all day.
Yeah, true.
Something like that. Something on those lines.
Someone said it's farmers. Yeah.
One of the Scandinavian countries, it's like bloody. It's I think in the summertime it's daylight something like 20 hours of the year.
Yeah.
And in the winter it's dark about 20 hours of the year.
That's mad. I think it's so dark. Everything is consolidating right now. Yeah, man. But we know that. I could have told you that this morning. You know, even though we had a little volume here, you know, it is consolidating now. It has moved up 40 pips though, which is nice. But yeah, for me, it was just counter trend. Hell no. Thanks for interested. Come on, guys, leave a like. Yeah, man, leave a like in the stream. Oh yeah, the guy who said he wanted to be a mod on Instagram. Make sure to come and pop and say something in the chat. I'll put you as a mod. So yeah, guys, if you do want to join us with the mentorship gang, webinars and simulations are coming out today and tomorrow, and we have got the NY session. Make sure to come and check that out. I'll send the link in the chart. Hello, can you please increase your chart size? It makes it difficult to see where you've drawn your support and resistance, even with 1080p. The number of the prices is so little. Okay, I think I might change my borders soon. Do you guys like the chat being on there or not? Or should I just get the chat away? Does anyone actually look at it? Because if not, then I can get rid of that. Maybe smaller out my face and make the chart a bit bigger. But I don't know. It depends what you're watching on. I think if you're watching it on like your phone, it's a bit shit.
That's the reason why you change times, to make more use of the daylight, apparently.
Yeah. No, I think that's why we kept it like on now. But I think in the olden days it was something to do with farming or something. So it looks like coming down over here. Let's see if I was right with the hourly. GU might look promising. Let's take a look. So yeah, people who were greedy this morning trying to run the trade probably didn't work out over here. So let's just get rid of all this GBP USD. We start fresh analysis like we do every single morning. Okay.
If you do so, right.
Daily flip, nice. Let's take a look at the 4 hour flip. not too shabby. So kind of bullish over here on the daily and the 4 hour. Ooh, so you know, easy peasy. You know, simple analysis. We got some resistance at these highs. If it doesn't close above, then it's keeping and respecting that resistance, which looks like it's what it's doing. So buys above 1.37584. If you do get that buy, it's going to be coming up towards the resistance level, which is over here, which is like 20 pips away, I think. Very, very simple. Easy, easy, easy. But getting in now would be risky because it hasn't closed above. So there is no confirmation. The chart a little bigger would be better. I watch on Mac and can't really see the numbers. Okay. Make the chart. Put your face on the corner of the chart. Yeah, okay. Thing is though, that just looks, I think mine looks clean. Let's see over here. So let's just do a little test there. We'd like, wait 1 second. Would that be better? Thing is, I can't put anything around. I still think you wouldn't be able to see that. Sorry, I'm not zoomed in though. Maybe like this. Maybe you can see it a bit better, can't you? Maybe it's just because I'm not zoomed in as because I don't zoom in as much. If I did this, 1 second. Oh, fuck off. There we go. Maybe just keep it in like this a bit further. I just like looking at the higher time frames. But yeah, if I do this. Probably a little bit better. I don't know. I'll try and sort it out. I'll try and sort it out. So hourly coming back down now. Look at this. So you know, as I said, be careful, because the bottom wick for me was very small. I mean, obviously it worked nicely here if you close profits, but yeah, you had to be pretty quick, I think, because it came back down to it had like 1 minute candle of you taking profits, and there we go. So it's coming down over here. It's going to be making maybe a bit more of a lower wick, because this lower wick for me just wasn't big enough. So I didn't like that. It looks like it's rejecting these highs over here. So I maybe have some selling opportunities. Maybe I've exceeded the high in the 4 hour though. So this is kind of a no trade zone as well. But if we do get some closures below, could be nice. That could happen in NY though. So all good. If you guys haven't left a like yet, what are you guys doing? Make sure to leave a like. Let's try and hit 100 likes again. 100 likes. 100 likes. Okay. Make the chart bigger. And then Matano the importing levels, because the problem is that we cannot read the numbers on the y-axis. Yeah, but can't you just like make that for yourselves? Can you not just like have a GJ trade in front of you at home and just kind of like get it? I just look where support is, and there you go. So 4 minutes time, 30-minute closing like this, kind of showing rejection over here. Not the best at all, mate. Looks like this move kind of happened over here. 15's flipping, but for me, it's gonna be better when we exceed these lows, because it's a bit too choppy in here. Good stream, Maxi. See you, NY. See you later, Camille, my boy. Can we do back testing on MT5? No, I don't think you can. You can use software FOREX on MT5 for sure. But yeah, you can't really back test on that. You have to use a software which pairs onto it. So 3 minutes time, still not getting a closure above. GJ over here, damn. GJ is chilling out. But to be honest, right, if you go past the past 3 days, we've had a very, very good volume.
Can you imagine if you went into that trade, mate? Look at that drawdown. We would have been depressed.
Yep. Well, you know, getting in here way too stupid because, you know, if you got in like here and you're like, oh, it's gonna run, it's gonna run.
Yeah.
Well, you know, you got resistance here, you got resistance here. You know, it's just if you got a closure above, then maybe you could potentially go like this one here with this little wick. Then yeah, you could do that. That could be good,
Yeah.
but we didn't get that, so it's all about that. But Ibs, remember the stuff like this, you know. When you're thinking of getting in, go, oh no, what happened this time, you know? If you get in too late, like for example, people getting in on the flips like here or exceeding the highs, that's a good level. If you get in here, you're being silly because you're just wanting price to break above resistance where you don't know if it's going to. There's like, you know, you can have confirmation it's going to with a closure, but if it hasn't closed yet, you're just hoping, really. You're hoping it fucking breaks. That's all you're doing. But that's just the same as like a, you know, roulette table. I'm hoping it lands on red. Like, you know, you don't know. You don't have any confirmation it might land on red. You're just fucking hoping. So
I'm going to go back to some of your webinars and some of your old things, because sometimes we get these little choppy little side bits, but then you'll take it, and I sometimes have lost the reason why you take it.
Which one? So like
sometimes it's not clean to the left, and you still take it.
Still take
or even Raja does as well.
Yeah, I think so. The main thing is for me is, you know, even though this wasn't too clean, I was still a bit cautious. That kind of like puts you back, you know. I'm a bit cautious, but it's also the fact of the lower wick, man. Like, it's the hourly. The hourly normally makes a big one. If this does this over here, it comes down, makes me a nice 10 pip stop. It's because of that, and then when we flip, we're really rejecting this zone. That's what I like, and that's what I would do, because, and the reason why I would do that and enter is because, you know, we're in high volume London time. I know that this could, you know, potentially work very nicely, and it did. But, you know, I get more confirmation if we make a nice low wick first to then push and, you know, get rid of all this crap, because we're at London Open. It's the highest volume time for GJ. So that's why I would, but I need that lower wick first.
Yeah.
So like a little one like this where there's quite a lot of traffic here and a small wick, for me it's just not valid. It's just not a place to do for sure. Someone's saying gold. Nope. There's nothing for gold. There is nothing for gold. Why is there nothing? Well, because we have resistance to the left hand side. It's literally, you know, 9 pips away, like here. So if you try and take a buy or sell, I don't know if you want to take a buy or sell, but if you took a buy, you know, it hasn't broken above resistance, so it could find it quite hard and reject. If you just be less greedy and patient and just wait for a closure like this, then the lower wick, and then exceeding the high, you enter. That could be pretty good to continue. But if you don't get that, then there's no trade, because you need the closures. Even though hourly looks good, yeah, it could continue, you know. I'm not saying it can't continue, but, you know, you have data, very, very, you know, new, fresh data to the left showing that price came up, just like this wick did, and rejected. So you have to be careful. You know, I always go back to, you know, the thing is, what are other people doing? Like, look at this. Look at this. 73% of people are losing, okay? So it's not fucking easy. So, oh, take a buy here. No, it's hard. But you have to be disciplined enough to not take shit like this. You know, look, it's looking nice, and yeah, it could potentially, you know. I'm not saying any of these trades wouldn't happen. It's just the risk, the probability of them working out. It's just not needed. Like here as well, like this GA trade could have worked nicely, but I just know that the left hand side's choppy. It's a pain in the ass. I've got, you know, numerous data from like this not going, either not going to plan or being in the trade for fucking hours. I'd rather just not take it and feel a lot better about that. So 30-minute closing, nice. But for me, there's just not enough volume. It's just not closing above places. You know, look at the 4 hour. Where is it tapped? It's tapping these wicks. It's also below this resistance. If this closes below over here, then wow. If it closes above, then NY we could be getting for some buys because it is closing above 4 hour resistance. But yeah, it's a lot of experience too. Yeah, for sure, for sure. It's a lot of experience, but also, you know, I know people who've been trading for 5 years and still can't trade. So it doesn't really matter, like, you know, how long you say, "Ooh, I've had experience. I've done this for years." Like, well, yeah, but if you like actually done it properly, you know, I could say I've been trading since I was 14 or whatever, but if I'm not fucking profitable, it's pretty useless. Very, very simple. Let's take a look, see if we've got any subscribers over here. Yay, 3 more or 4 more. Why is it not giving me a notification bell, man? Wolf of Wall Street one. GA coming down, GU just chilling, hasn't closed above, and GJ just vibing. 92 people in the stream though. Make sure you like and subscribe, all that good stuff. We're at 6 trades this week, 5 wins, 1 loss. Beautiful. Yesterday, oh my god, we missed a gold trade. Very, very annoyed with that. It was pretty solid, but we went through that with Telegram. This one here.
I'm going to be going through.
I didn't.
You didn't go through this.
To be honest, this flipping the candle again would have been.
Oh, you didn't. You fucking caught it, didn't you? Yeah, you caught 400 quid or something. Damn. Yeah, this is the first entry. I like that, and then furthermore higher. But yeah, this is good. That closure above, wait for the lower wick, and then exceed. Bam! Easy peasy.
Do you know what's annoying, mate? Right? I'll tell you really something funny. So when I gave up my work to do this full time, you know, you got a lot of doubters. Yeah, and I'm not a young man. I'm kind of like, you know, 48 years old. So people are like, really? Do you know how many people fail in this, right? And it's like when you're doing the figures and you're making the money, and you sort of post it out and say, "There you go, guys. This is how I'm rolling now." And you just want to do that so much, you know what I mean? So you can see the blue. Do you know what I mean? And then the next day I get caught and get burnt, and I'm like, "Oh, why did I send that picture out for?"
Yeah, exactly, man. It's a long game, bro. Thank you very much, Mark, for subscribing. That's the thing, man. It's just, I think people, like, you can have really good days, but then you're gonna have a really bad day. It's like, nah, all you need to do is have really good days and then keep your losing days very, very small.
100%.
But to do 100%. That, you have to be managing risk very, very nicely.
Yeah, that's why I like your Zooms, because I think you're a lot more risk averse than Raja is, and I think you're a little bit more disciplined in the sense of like when you take trades as well. I think. Yeah,
I think Raja used to be, but now I think he just pisses about. But when he was younger, like I learned off him, so you know that's the person I looked up to. So, Joanne Salis, thank you for subscribing. Beautiful. A lot of people are subscribing now.
Yeah, I've got a few people coming on board as well, mate.
Lovely, yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Looks like gold is making some support. So look at the 30 minutes. This could be nice, but the thing is that we haven't closed above, so it could be very, very tricky. All trades are GJ and gold only. GJ, gold, and GA. How long have you been profitable? Over 2 years now. I haven't had a losing month in about that time as well. Would you look for GJ buy if 25-minute breaks? 25 minutes breaks. What's this called? High after nice bottom wick. Nah, I'm gonna wait for closures above 550 over here. I'm just not too keen on these buys. That's fine though. That's just my comfort level. I just don't really want to look at it. It's like a bit of shit. Unless I got in like low here, then yeah, nice. But I didn't, because the 4 hour. I mean, the 4 hour did flip over here, which is pretty good. But nah, I didn't really like it, unfortunately. But it could continue, nice. But yeah, for me, I'm gonna chill. Would you like the Spanish name Juan? Yeah, Raja used to be disciplined on his stream, and now his trades are way too risky. He gets so many losing trades in the live stream recently. Yeah. The thing is, he gets lots of losing trades, and then he'll do that one which will just make him 60 pips, and then he break even. It's like, oh yeah, but like, why did you just do them shit trades at the start? Whereas Ted just comes on and gets that one trade.
Ted don't do no live streams, though, does he?
No.
How do you know what Ted does then?
Because he was on Raj's live stream for 2 years.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So I speak to him. I speak to him every day, basically.
Right.
I ask him about stuff. And yeah. So continuing up over here, going to be hitting the high of this next zone. Pretty good. So kind of a 50-minute salary play. But for me, the zone is a bit too small. I could get it. Can you show us your NY trades yesterday, if any? No. Yeah, so we didn't take any NY trades, unfortunately, because of the fact that I was focusing on GJ. We were looking for sells. Where was it? They were somewhere. We tried so many times. The amount of sell stops we had. Yeah, this 30-minute closing, was it here or here? There was a 30-minute or an hourly closing. I was so ready, waiting for the top wick and waiting for a flip. I think it was 972. Yeah, here. This kind of closing bearish. This one making a top wick and then flipping. Never flipped, so never got in. Tried twice because it came back down here again, and then I actually bailed out. I was like, nah, this is not looking too good. Bit chalked. And then whilst I was looking at this gold, I said, you know, we got the closure, which was here. Where was it? We got the hourly closing above. Where was it? Yeah, here. So, you know, what you can see here is there was resistance at this time. This kind of closed above. I said if it close above and make the bottom wick, we're good. And then when this was making the bottom wick, I was talking about icy markets or something. And then the candle flipped. I literally turned onto it when the candle was flipping. And yeah, unfortunately, I missed it. Because I can't just enter a trade straight away. I need to see where my stop would be and stuff. And yeah, it just rallied like 60 pips instantly. So bit of a shame, but what can you do? It was a very, very nice, tasty trade. Right back up to those highs. So first TP was like obviously 10 pips. Second TP was 1793. And then yeah, continued furthermore. It was actually here, sorry. But yeah. So those are the ideas. Later on, I was looking for gold buys as well, which actually came out nicely. The only issue, where was it? It was at 230. The only issue was the stop was getting towards 23 pips, and that for me is just a bit too much. So I followed Roger for years. He lies about his background loads too. His story always changes. Wait, what? Oh, I kind of knew his background. Ooh, GU coming up over here. What the hell, GU launched away? Yeah, launched away, nice, but it didn't really get a closure above, so what can you do? I don't know why people trade GU. The pips are just tiny, man. Like, look, just 10 pips for that, like, shit tiny, man. Let's see Goldie. Let's see if Goldie can break it. 2 days ago, we talked GG is easy sell. This trend can't go forever up. And I was amazing when you buying GJ, and I was confused. Why, dude, buying so high? Did I win the trade? Yeah, Raja is one of the legit ones. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly, man. So it is coming up over here to see if it can break. That'll be quite interesting. He spoke about going to uni. I don't think he went to uni. Did he go to uni? I think he... Yeah, he was a salesman. I remember that. Yeah, I won the trade, Nico. So it must have been a good trade. Must have been a good trade, my boy. He studied computer science but didn't finish. Computer science? Oh, I think I remember him talking about that. Okay. Oh, wow, it doesn't matter. He's good at trading, so who cares? I I know Ted went. Ted did the same course as me, I'm pretty sure. Something very, very similar. So yeah, I mean, the only issue I have with gold here, like, it looks good, like, you know, going some nice wicks to the bottom over here. We've got resistance there, though. We've got resistance there, so it's just risky business. Risky business. I want a closure. And yeah, let's see if it can continue then, gold. I think later on it looks like the news for US is going to be quite bad over here, so probably going to be rallying quite a lot. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Yeah, USD GDP. GDP. Gold 1810 to 1815. Potentially. 4 hours making some support starting to come up. Yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. 79 likes in the chat. Amazing, guys. We're doing really, really well today. We're growing at a very high, fast pace. People obviously enjoying my content, which is good. But yeah, today's been a bit of a chill session. Was Asian quite dead as well? A little bit of movement, but not too bad. Quite chalked. GJ just bringing that volume in over here. I mean, you know, buys above here would have been pretty nice, but stop loss would have been pretty decent as well. 730. GJ 50 minute could have been good buys, but because small range is no buys, right? Yep. Small range at the top. Not even 10 pips. Hell no. Is it normal when you enter that you lose 1 pip straight away? Not for me, because my spreads are really, really good. I'm normally in like 0.5 drawdown, 0.4 of a pip, but that's because my spreads are tight as hell. Like, look at my spread. Look at that. Goes down to like 5. Look at 4, 1, 0. Looking for gold as well. Gold's only 1 pip as well. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Can you check the charts of the stream? Okay, my GJ game plan sounds good. Let's take a look at charts of the stream. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, what are you guys doing? Make sure you come and join. So let's take a look. Let's look at Steven first. Steven took the GJ buys over here with a 15-minute closure, waited for the bottom wick and continued. He got in just when we started pushing. So had clear resistance, not best of zones, but high bullish volume coming into play, plus London Open. Huge bullish momentum coming into play. I got a break and close, breaking resistance, next candle making bottom wick before flipping. ATM Open could see volume again with fast push, aiming to return for the highs. Beautiful. And you're waiting for sells below as well. So very, very nice. I think that was a nice option for people who were happy to take that trade for sure. The only reason for me was the low wick was a bit oof. What last size do you trade? 5 lot for GJ and 2.5 for gold. So this is the GJ. It's on the 50-minute time frame. You got a nice 50 pip zone over here. Okay, that's actually very, very true. That's clean candles. Okay. Nice. 1 second. Let me just read this. Target for buy is 157090. Wicked. Oh, we got a new subscriber over here. Thank you very much, Leo, for subscribing. Not clean range to get a buy. Also 13 pips isn't enough room yet. So waiting for a closure above. Exit for the trade if it represents. Yeah. Beautiful. So yeah, waiting for closure above. A lot easier if you get that trade because, as you said, you know, kind of clean candles over here to the left all the way up to these highs. Very, very clean. So you know, instead of just pissing about in this zone, this is going to be a lot of a cleaner zone. It's going to be high bullish daily and 4-hour candles. Especially for NY session, if this 4-hour close is bullish, it's going to be pretty decent, man. Can you explain what an order block is? No, because I don't get it, and I think it's just for people who are scared of trading. An order block, like what the fuck is that? Order block, like, oh, the banks are coming for us. Like, it's just load of bullshit. Just Just fucking trade. Just wait for closures above and below, wait for bottom wicks, wait for top wicks, wait for support to form, wait for resistance to form. Bob's your uncle. It's not hard. Is your account around 50k? Yes, sir. What type of account are you using? A raw spread account on IC Market. If you do want to join IC Markets, make sure to use my link. Helps me out and helps you guys out with the very, very tight spreads. It's beautiful. IC Market's the best in the game. You know where it is. Look at this. So yeah, me and Benny were right. Very, very shit price action over here. 23 people in the Zoom. Holy smokes. Can't wait for NY session. It's going to be good today, I think, boys. Oh, yes. Keep it simple. Yeah, man. Just keep it simple. You know, people go like, order blocks. The banks are like, you know, selling here, buying here. Oh, just chill, man. You're never going to beat the banks. So just chill and wait until they start moving. And then you just ride the train with them. Very, very easy. And that's what it is, boys. 110 viewers, man. We're smashing it. Smashed it today. So yeah, preferably I am looking for buys above. I mean, if we do get that at 9 o'clock, that could be quite interesting. So yeah, I'll just mark this over here. Use our trusted green TP, not TP lines, buy lines. So buys. Oh shit. Buys above 156.552 are going to be really valid because we've got clean candles as we've just discussed before. Anyone have feedback on blueberry markets? Blueberry? Which leverage are you using? 1, 2, or 100? I wouldn't have it any higher because I'm not stupid. Charts end up looking like a unicorn with all that crap. Also, nobody knows about bank trades and it's all algos now. Yeah. With how much money did you start the account you have now? Well, I kept on depositing it in. It wasn't just like I put in like 10 grand and made 40. I just put it in over like a period of like a year and a half, 2 years. But like my first deposit was like 2 grand, and that was from Fun and Talent. And yeah, 109 viewers, amazing, guys. So yeah, closures above are going to be nice, but yeah, this is the zone I kind of want to stay away from, to be honest. Unless I got an entry here, with some bullish, we're flipping the 4 hour. That could have been decent, but yeah. On a 5 lot, what's the return on a 10 pips? 500. But it's not really because it's like a pound, so it's like 500 times 0.7 and then minus like commission. So it's like 350, 340 something. Oh, look at this. Rejecting again on GJ. Okay. If you guys are new to the stream though, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you go for the recaps. Go through my trades for the week. We've had 6 trades, 5 wins, all caught on the live stream. Pretty sure we haven't had. I haven't had any. I don't think NY. I mean, oh no, we did on Monday. We did have a lot on NY. Very, very nice. But yeah, pretty okay day. We just have to chill. Looks like GU did continue up over here. But look where exactly it's tapped, okay? It's tapped exactly where resistance would be, which is here, okay? So people in trades, you know, you can't be greedy. You have to take your positions off where there's resistance, because what's the point in holding on just because you want to say to yourself, oh, I got a 100 pip move over here, and tell your friends? Well, you know, how many times is that going to work out of 100? How about just getting the trades you can easily get every single day, hitting the tops, taking off some profits, leave a little runner on, potentially to continue, but if it doesn't, that's fine. You've got most of your trade out. That's what you should be doing. Simple, simple, simple. Let's see if gold can continue over here then, and get past this little resistance. If it gets a closure in 9 minutes time above, that could be quite nice. And GJ's just playing over here. See, I don't trust these buys unless we get a closure above. And the 15 minute, yeah, I'm not asked, boy. And if you guys are new here and you do want to join the boys in the Zoom, where we talk a lot in NY session and we go through the NY session beautifully, we take gold trades, we take GJ trades, make sure to follow the link in the chat right now at the mentorship link. Webinars weekly, drop-in sessions weekly, simulation sessions weekly, and 10 live streams. So 10 live streams a week, by the way. So 40 a month. And yeah, just continue it. Nice. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. GA, very, like, look at this. Like, that's like a Tesco barcode over here, man. But, you know, I kind of already acknowledged that it wasn't the best place to trade, so just chill. Just chill. Ibs, when my payment due, let me know. I think it'll just come out automatically, my boy. I'll check over here. Did you do a credit card or did you do PayPal?
I think I've done a credit card.
Yeah, okay, 1 second. I can check here. 30th. It'll come out on the 30th, my man.
Last month, yeah. Okay, cool.
30th.
So
Like
you
10
just
o'clock.
will it just automatically come out again? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
Just automatically do it. It's pretty cool.
Cool deal. Right, I'm gonna leave you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Good lad, good
Have
lad.
we got anything happening? Anything happening?
Nah, there's nothing much. Nothing
No?
much here. Nothing
Do an
much.
impulsive one before I go.
Take a cheeky GJ. Nah, I'll still post a signal in if we do get some trades, but I think we're okay for today. We'll have to see if GJ can break above or gold. I'll keep an eye on
Funny,
gold.
man. Trying to trade on your phone is not funny, I tell you. Found out how to do partials again though. I put a trade on and I was mucking about and I went, right, okay, yeah, so I can do partials on that now.
Take
But
them
it's only for
partials.
about 3-4 days until my office is set up.
Yeah, that's good then. That's good then,
Cool,
brother.
All right, dude. Nice
Lovely
one.
stuff.
See you later,
See you
guys.
later, bud. See you later.
Bye.
Mahmood, what leverage are you using? 1 to 100. I think it's 1 to 100 or 1 to 50, 1 to 150 or 1 to 100. But I don't get why people focus on leverage. It's really not interesting. Because leverage is just how much you can risk on your account. It doesn't show anything. People thought it was like a commissions thing or like a bonus. It's like, no, it's just leverage, just how much you can risk. If you risk 1 to 2% on a trade and you take one trade per time, you can use a 1 to 25 lot, because I did it. So you don't need like a 1 to 500. You're only using a 1 to 500 if you're over leveraging, which is fine if you want to over risk, but hell no for that. You can't over leverage, boy. W today for everyone that didn't force anything and stayed disciplined. Exactly. It depends on the account, I think. It depends on, well, for example, most people who have a small account tend to risk a lot more. So it doesn't depend on anything. It just depends on how much you want to risk. And your goals. Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, like, for example, I mean, there's certain things that you could do. Like, when I was younger, what I'd do is, like, if I had, like, 3 grand I wanted to put in, I was like, oh, it's quite a lot of money, like, I could put in. I'd normally use, like, a 0.3 lot, so I'd be risking £30, but I'd only put in, like, 300 in, and then just, because as long as you can, like, profitably do it, you're not too bad. You have to whack in loads in, but, yeah. I have a $100 1 to 500 leverage with a 0 spread account. Yeah, that's fine. $100 account, nice. On a £1,000 account, would my lot be 0.1? Yes. 0.1 to 0.2, I'd say. Round about that area, but just keep it set for the month. Keep it set for the month. Keep it set for the month, and then just, like, for example, like, look here. Look here. I don't even look at, like, my trades, my balance, or nothing. I just have here, and I have magic keys on. That's it. And then at the end of the month, I'll have a look, and I'll be like, oh great, I made money, or oh great, I lost money, or whatever. I don't look. I don't need to look. because I just want to be correct in the analysis, and there's no point. The money will come later when you correct a lot. GJ flipping bearish. Let's take a look over here. Yep, just flip the daily. Nice. Flipping the daily once again. Ooh. What is Magic Keys? Magic Keys is a risk management tool here. And if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway of them every single month, make sure to comment on every single one of my posts and you get entered. Oof, this is actually looking pretty good over here. 1 second. Okay, if this 30-minute closes in 3 minutes time, back in the zone and makes a top wick and then flips. Oof. Let me get a signal ready over here. 1 second. So what I'm saying is I'm going to be using one of our trading setups. So closure like this in the zone. If we make then a top wick, rejecting them highs, and then start flipping and exceeding, that could be good. So I'm going to keep an eye on that and maybe write out a signal, maybe just to cut this. Yeah, MXT10 for a trade. Caught in the zone, tiny pips. Nice, Francis, you did well. So 2 minutes time getting a closure. So yeah, 1 second. Let me do this over here. Where is it? So yeah, also in the mentorship you get signals all day, every day. Obviously you get the London ones, but you also get the NY ones. This week there hasn't been many NY, but last week there was bloody loads of them, mate. So GJ sell stop. If we get a closure below, I want it back in the zone over here, at least but like 300 level, 310. So it'll be around 211. So 10 pips, and then if you do come down over here, 15610, 6.104, and then furthermore 155,920. That'll be pretty good. 920, and then take profit 3 is going to be 155.700. So you know, when I'm looking for take profits, I'm just looking for zones where prices came before and acted as support. So like this, you know, came down, we get 10 pips. Next one's down these lows. Next one here is these wick fills. 55350, 155.360. Wicked. So you know, I'm going to be chilling though. I want this candle to open. I want it to make a top wick. I want it to be a nice 10 pip stop loss and then to continue. So this is going to look like our setup, which is closing back in the range. It's going to look like this, okay? Can you see? So we broke above, makes rejections, we close back in. Normally have the 4 hour but we've actually got the daily, so I'm not really too bothered about that. I'm rejecting them highs nicely. As long as you make a top wick, which is this one here, and then the drive down, could be pretty solid over here. Easy 70 pips down for GJ Bears today. Oh, I like the cap locks. Yeah, man. Let's get the 30 pips of GJ. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's try and get 100 likes, so we need 60 more. Hey, can you review my chart, please? Sure thing. I'll just take a look over here in a second. If this drops over here, then tough shit. I can't get it into a trade. Unfortunately. I want a stop to come right about here. And then the drive down. Because, you know, think about your stop right now. How am I going to get in? If I entered right now, you know, a 20 pip stop on the 15 minute, like, no. But, you know, if this is to continue, that's great. I can't get in. I can't get in, boy. So while waiting for this top wick to maybe continue, if not, if it just continues, then, you know, tough luck for me. Let's take a look at a chart. Let's take a look. How can you view my chart? Let's take a look over here. Let's grab that. Holy smokes, why is this white? It's blinding me. This monitor is so bright. I'll get rid of this. Invalid chart link, unfortunately. Invalid chart link. Sorry, Leo. chart link is bad over here. So come on, make a nice top wick and then reject, because what I want is the top wick is going to give me a stop loss, but it's also going to give me confirmation that we're rejecting the highs again, because you know we already just came up bullish, we closed above. If this candle comes and makes a top wick around about this area, this is the zone that we broke out of into this zone. If this candle comes up, makes a top wick and then flips, then we're rejecting this zone, and that's what I want. At the moment we haven't made that, so I can't take a trade, which is fine. You can see the monitor light on your face. Yeah, man, it's such a nice monitor. 1440p, 165 hertz. So I'm 1v1 me in CSGO at the moment. I'm bashing CSGO. I'm starting to get quite good now. Good morning, Max. Good morning, Sandeep. We've got 112 people in here. If you guys haven't subscribed, man, what are you guys doing? We're here every single weekday. Come on, make a nice top wick first. Doubt it's going to though, to be honest. But oh well. Got that Huawei 165 ultra wide yesterday. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Tasty, man.
I'll play in CSGO, Maxi.
Do you play CSGO?
Yeah,
Oh,
fiend it.
fuck yeah, Finn. I'll play some fucking CSGO with you.
I used to play 8, but still a little bit.
Yeah,
Good
yeah.
game, good game.
It is a good game, man. I fucking rate it. If price goes up and makes a top wick, where would the entry be? At the flip or the current? Yeah, that's the thing now. Like, I normally like it on the flip, but probably still on the flip, yeah. Probably still in the flip. I play CSGO. Nice. Yeah, we got a lot of CSGO people in here. Ah, look, it's continuing, unfortunately, guys. But, you know, I can't really do much about that. I needed the top wick. But it looks like it's continuing down over here. Still got a lot of time, though. Still got 27 minutes. You know, in the big scale of things, that's quite good. We'll have to see. Your CS players, let's go. Yeah, boy. Well, look, I'm gonna make a Discord. You know the Discord server. I've already started the CS:GO thing. So gaming, I'm gonna do like a CS:GO channel where we can all play and shit. Cause I'm sick of playing with a bunch of fucking Russians. I'd be in if you had a decent wick. Yeah, exactly. You can still form though. Still got a lot of time. So, bro, you're watching CS:GO major. Sure thing, I am. When I have time, I do, to be fair, but I'm quite busy most of the time. But you watched Liverpool-Manchester previous weekend? That's hilarious. Yeah, I watched it. I knew it was going to happen. For fuck's sake. Here we go now. Make a top wick, you pussy. Right around this area. You haven't taken any trades, right? Nope, I haven't taken any trades. You guys here face it, or do you play matchmaking? I play like the ranked one. I play the short games now. The short games are sick, cause like, you know, sometimes I get stuck with this fucking shit team and I might get pissed off. So the short game, I don't have to be with them for too long. Here we go. So this is pushing it quite high. I'm chilling over here. Favorite CS teammate? I don't really have a team, but I just like watching Simple. Simple's pretty good. I like watching Stewie as well back in the day. Pretty good. Would you enter on the buy for GJ? Hell no. Hell no. That Owlie's just closed back in. Hell no. Thing is, it's such a big wick now. I can see these wicks here though at 280. That's probably where I'd enter again. Let's just see over here. I kind of want to come up right around this area. Near the daily flip and then start flipping again, maybe. I don't know. It came down quite a lot over here for me. You know, it's a bit of a pain in the ass. Oof. Look at that 5 minute closing back up. Yeah. Do not know. It's took a lot of time for the thing. I can't want to come up over here and see, and because you know what it will do is if price starts to come up over here and chill, and then start coming later on in the candle, like halfway through, then we really are rejecting those zones. But here, you know, this could just push up over here and start coming bullish. So I'm going to be very, very cautious. It's 9 o'clock. Let's take a look at gold over here. Yeah, gold, nothing much really. Still respecting resistance. You can see, you know, doji candle showing indecision. No strong closures above or below, so nothing much for me. I stopped playing MM ranked because cheaters. What, cheaters? Really? I get every so often where there's some twat who's, yeah, but not too bad. 90 likes, amazing guys. We're smashing the likes recently. To be fair, we're smashing the streams. I'm off now. See you guys later for NY. See you later, bro. Oh, we're flipping again. Oh shit. Oh, smokes. I may wait in the 5 minute if you get another 5 minute bearish closure. Do you play NBA 2K22? Nah, I don't actually. I used to play when I was younger, but not really much. COD Mobile. No COD Mobile. Right, coming down over here. Oof. I do not know. Look at the 30 minute, 22 minutes left. I'm gonna go for it, I think. Am I? 1 second, guys. I think I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes to close. Or if it exceeds these lows. Yeah. Do 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 do. 287. To continue down to fill this range back up again. Hourly, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Fuck it. Have we broken those lows yet? 1 second. Yeah, we have. Waiting for it. Waiting for this 5 minutes to close, guys, in 2 minutes time. Because if this candle over here does this, then we're fucked. So I kind of want to wait for this little 5 minute closure over here to close below these wicks. 6 minutes left. 21 minutes though of the 30 minute, which is pretty solid. Pretty solid over here. Let's take a look at gold as well. Yeah, there's nothing much really, nothing much. Do 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 do. It will go up. Okay, it will go up. Everyone buy. It'll go up. Everyone buy. Right, I'm gonna take it now. Fuck it. Right, I'm taking this trade. I'm in a trade right now, guys. Giving it a lot of time to make the top wick. I got in at around about 290 here. Stop loss above. So we've got a nice stop loss. Rejecting the highs. Look at the hourly. Rejecting pretty solidly. And we'll see over here. To manage risk, how am I going to do this? If we do exceed this at 346, I'm taking off 50% at that time. So really, really managing already. So 50% off at 1562. 50% off at 152. Well, 156.350. Wicked. So then all I do is I wait here, I chill, and then, you know, what I'm doing here is managing my risk amazingly in the 5 minutes. So if price comes up 5 pips, I'm closing half already, and my stop is already 7 pips. So it's going to be like a 6 pip loss for, like, it could be getting like 20 pips over here if we start to push down solidly. And if not, that's good, but I'm ready to take off positions over here. Because it's already risky, and that's why I'm kind of really, really managing my risk as it is. But we should continue. Just making the top wick of the 5 minute. We've got a closure below now, so you can hold this full on if you wanted, but it's just making the top wick of the 5 minute. Hopefully you can get a nice drive down. If not, then I'm going to take a loss over here. 93 likes in the stream. She. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. No, no, do, do. Come on, get that nice pull down now, boy. Getting that nice pull down now. It'll go up, don't take it. Yeah, guys, don't take it. I'm taking this loss like a man. I'm liking the 5-minute closing below though, pretty solid. So happy over here. Waiting to come down along with wicks, then I will enter the cell. Pretty good. Pretty goody. Pretty Gucci. Pretty Gucci. 97 likes. Wow, guys, amazing. Amazing support for the stream. Beautiful. Have you tried any indicators? No. No. How's your girlfriend? Very, very good. She's working hard, bless her. She's working very, very hard in the corporate world. Which is not my vibe. Hell no. Hell no. Where is she? She's in Leeds. Leeds. She's in the Leeds. 2 minutes time for the 15-minute. That's a bit of a pain in the ass. 15-minute has to make a top wick. But hopefully we can get a nice little push down over here. Come on, get a nice little push down, you pussy. 99 likes, yeah, boy. Oh yeah, we do this every single day, guys. But you know what I'm thinking about here is managing my risk. I don't care about where it's going. I'm talking about how to manage my risk, and I've got that beautifully. We've got such a beautiful stop, and you know all of the winners over here. You know the reason why I'm taking this is such a nice risk to reward. If we really are rejecting these highs, I think it could be a good option. If you guys haven't entered yet, probably wait for the 15 to make a top wick. Probably. Do 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 do.
So it's 220 you put stop loss to break even.
Yeah. Yeah, 230 probably here, yeah. Yeah, boy. Ooh, see this 15-minute candle over here. I don't want it to close like that. I want it to be a bit stronger over here. There we go. Get that volume push, boy. So this is going to be the 7th trade of the week. Beautiful. Keeps on retracing, man. Come on, push down, you pussy. Push down, you pussy boy. Dude, 121 views. Oh my god. 124 people in the chat. This is the biggest stream ever. 103 likes. Let's go. Let's go. So, you know, I'm always thinking about how I'm managing my trade. You know, I know the 15 is going to be closing in a sec. It's going to be making a top wick, which is a bit annoying. So the top wick kind of means I'm going to be taking some drawdown potentially. So I'm going to be risking, going to be kind of risk averse over here. Still, stop loss is valid. I'm happy with that. Pretty good. So 5 minute now, we shouldn't come back and exceed them highs. So I'm still happy here. I'm happy to take that trade. So round about the zone where the wick was, I'm going to put my stop loss to break even. And yeah, because it's already kind of like a bit of a risky trade, I kind of want to put my stop to break even pretty quickly over here. And hopefully it can continue down. If not, then, you know, break even trade or a loser trade. It's all good. So good over here. 105 likes. Jeez, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you guys doing? We're here every single day talking about trades, taking lots of trades. Pretty solid effort. But look, 50 minutes closed now. I've got a nice entry. I'm happy for this. I'm really happy for this. And because you got in a bit earlier, our stops are so nice. 7 pip, and we're taking half off at like 345. Looking pretty good. So very, very happy with this trade. If you're in the middle and your dad behind you, oh, for fuck's sake, Sean. Not again. How often you trade in a month? Probably like once a day, average, 2 a day. Probably like once a day. So coming down over here, guys, around about 4 pips, looking good. So soon, yeah, I got to this wick. I'm gonna be moving my stop loss to break even over here. Stop loss to break even. I'm making this a risk-free trade now because I don't really want to come up anymore. You can hold this one if you want to, or you could, you can hold the trade on. But for me, I want the stop loss to break even because we're coming towards wicks where we could reject right here. Could you see? So I want this drive down. If you don't get the drive and it taps my stop loss or break even, then tough shit. Okay, tough shit. Yeah, yeah, boy. We should continue down over here. If not, then it's fine. Oh shit, I'm not recording. No. Come on, get that push down, you pussy. And if it comes off, then tough shit. I'm gonna have a break-even trade over here, maybe. Oh, a break-even trade. Come on, get that push down. Come on. Come on, boy.
Break even.
Yeah, same. Break even. Break even trade over here, boys. Beautiful. I still think that could continue, but for me, I wanted to be in and out. And because this wick over here rejected so aggressively, when we come to that wick, I wanted a break even trade. So beautiful. But this should still continue down. If people do want to still hold on to that, then that's fine. For me, I wanted that drop down when we got, and unfortunately we didn't get it then. We're pretty solid, to be honest. I think it still should continue down, but I wanted that push then, and if not, then tough shit, boy. I don't pick Kushi because I am in the bank. Fuck's sake. This is gonna continue down now, maybe. Beautiful. 125 viewers over here. Amazing. So another one break-even trade there. People who are still in this though, it's gonna be pushing down now. Amazing. So people who have just held this trade on, still in right over here. See if it can still continue. Nice trade. Yeah, I am break-even trade over here. So yeah, you can see my risk management from the start on here to the end. You know, I was waiting for price to close back in the zone. We closed back in. We waited for the top wick. Then we flipped. I entered. Oh, this is gonna run down now, you fucking pussy. But oh well. And you know what I wanted to do is manage my risk. So you know, when I was in this trade, I got in. Where was it? I got in like here. Was it? Or here? Yeah. Stop loss was above the current. And I said if we do exceed and flip this 5 minute over here, I'm going to take off 50%. So I was already thinking about how to manage my trade at 5 pips stop loss, and then at a 7 pip full stop loss over here. But yeah, this should continue down now. There we go. Beautiful. So I was correct as usual. Shock. So for sure now, guys, if you're in this trade, 1 second. What the hell? Did Siri just listen to me? If you are still in defo, stops to break even now. So I think a lot of, is anyone still in this trade? Because now you shouldn't come back up now. So now it should be completely a risk-free trade, and you should continue down. Still in. Beautiful, Ahmed.
Yes, Max, I'm still in as well.
Wicked. So yeah, stops to break even now. You shouldn't be in. You shouldn't be taking a losing trade from this now, yeah. Because you know you're up 7 pips. If this comes and hits your your stop loss now, it's gonna fucking piss you off, isn't it? So yeah. Oh, my signal was type. Oh, this edit over here. 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. 4920. Here we go, guys. You're gonna be hitting TP1 over here. Oh, what the fuck was that? Holy smokes. Yeah, sorry guys. You get it. You get it. 1 second over here. 350. Yeah. Beautiful. I didn't close anything since I took like 0.5% position. Beautiful. So break even for me, but it looks like some people are going to be hitting TP1 over here. Is there any app or site? What do you mean? Your signal's typo. Yes, starts to break even. Yes, a break even. Beautiful, guys. So if you guys hit a break even, that's fine. If people have held this on, you are up now. Round about 9 pips. Gorgeous, gorgeous. You know, closed below. This is exactly like one of our main setups. Well, actually not main. I don't use it too much, but it works pretty nicely over here. So look at that, identical. This is going to be very, very simple. Closure back in the zone. We've got higher time frames with us, and Bob's your uncle. Very, very easy. Thank you very much for Alt Shift for subscribing. Beautiful. 115 likes. Most liked stream, most viewed stream. Let's go. Do you use CTrader or MetaTrader? I use MetaTrader. So coming towards TP1. So here now you could take some profits because there is a little support here. Can you see? So for sure you could take some profits here. There's a little support. This zone could reject it. I would definitely take some now. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Because we rejected the highs, we closed back in the range, rejecting this zone. So we should fill this zone up all the way back to the lows over here. Obviously with time, but it should be. Can you use magic keys on Mac? No, unfortunately you can't. Unless you've got parallels, I think, then you can. There we go. TP1 has just been hit, I think. Yes, TP1 hit. Congratulations, guys. You kept that on over here. Beautiful. So yeah, definitely. Who was in this trade? Who's still in it? Ahmed and I think it was Wax over here. Make sure to take some partials. Still there? Yep. I think you should take some now for sure. You know, coming towards resistance, this could act as support. So definitely take some positions right here, and then leave a little runner on, probably 20% or 15%, to do the work. So beautiful trade idea again, guys. Simple, simple, simple. So I'll put this on Instagram over here. Another GJ trade over here, caught on the live stream. A lot of people got hit at break even because we were messing around, but actually the 5 minute was beautiful, and most people held this on over here, and it just hit TP. Let's go. And there you go, guys. W in the chat. Make sure to put some W's in the chat as usual. Smash them W's. A new beautiful trade. So wait, where is that guy? Where is that guy on the stream? Where is this fucker? Where is this guy? I want to see if he's deleted his message. Wait, where is he? Hamon. Let me screenshot that shit. Hamon. It will go up. Don't take it. Oh, no, no, no. Remember who you're messing with here, man. The GOAT. W's in the chat. Amazing. Oh, we pushing down. Nicely, boys. I tell you what, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Don't mess with me, man. Don't mess with me. GJ's my bitch. Especially this week. Holy smokes. GJ plus. Oh, shit. This is running. This is running. Oh, man. I wish I kept it on. To be honest, I don't know why I just took it off. Because it was still valid. I think it was just messing about. You recommend taking more risk with a $100 account? You take the amount of risk you can actually take from losing. So if you're happy to lose whatever, take that. Well done, team. Beautiful. 115 likes, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you guys doing? I've taken now, so let's update this. Trades called. Okay, so 7 trades now. And the trade was a win, even though I took mine off. And to be honest, I had 0 drawdown. I literally tapped our entry and then rinsed, but oh well. What can you do? Managing risk here. Beautiful. I think the good idea was to wait for 5 minute close against us. All 5 minutes bearish. Yeah, it was. But it's all good, it's all good. I was managing it beautifully. Very, very solid. So move down pretty easily. I am actually the GOAT, Max. Take it back. Hey, this week has been beautiful. Beautiful. So, yeah, I think we could come back down to these lows over here. With a runner. Pretty nice. Could continue back down to these lows, and then later on we could get some selling opportunities because we've rejected the highs. We've rejected the buys over here. I always knew they were going to be quite hard, the buys. That's why I was kind of never intrigued. But you can see now, coming down really, really solid. That 30-minute was a very big thing. And what do these candles show? They show rejection. Price coming all the way in, couldn't close with each 30-minute candle. So decided to close it at 50, full at 15 because the range is beautiful. Where can I find those patterns? On the mentorship. The mentorship, the link is above you in the chat. These are all my setups over here. Still in it. Beautiful. This. Very, very easy. So, yeah, TP2 is going to be 154,920, which is at the lows over here. But yeah, if you guys do want them, like, if you do want some extra help, some extra mentorship, make sure to come and check the link out. Any trading journal recommendations? Yes, use Trello. Trello is very, very good. I have one. Check it in the link. Wow, I closed 2 pips in profit. My bad, bro. Why? That's not my bad. That's a very, very good trade. Congrats. Any blue is amazing. Okay, you need to chill. There are many rejection lows. Oh, bless. I feel sorry for that Hammond kid now. To be fair, he's been a bit of a dick. He's like, he's not gonna work. Don't listen to him, bro. You guys listen to me. Hell yeah. You guys listen to me. See, like the discipline. You know, I didn't want to take any trades here. It was just a bit weird. I'd get closure above then for sure, and then candle close back in the zone. I'm gonna be balls deep in these cells. So but I used my discipline. You know, I could have tried to enter here, but I didn't. I chilled. I was just relaxing. So yeah, don't you worry about that. You have to be patient, disciplined, etc., etc. Look, GU tapped our zone and then rinsed back out down. So that was a take profit. If you didn't get that, then sucks to be you. We know now he has been disliking YouTube. Let's see how many dislikes we got today. Let's take a look over here. 1? Ah, bro. 1 to 118. That's a good risk to reward, man. I better get any. We now know who dislikes on YouTube. I am probably the one person in YouTube who doesn't get disliked the most, which is mad. People just think 5 of me. To be fair, how the fuck could you not like me this week? I literally haven't done a losing trade, apart from the gold one on Monday. The rest have been winners, boy. 120 likes, holy shit. First time watching you, first profit today. Thanks. Well done, well done. It's not even just about profit as well. It's about, the move. Do you understand the move? Do you get that? We close back in the zone, therefore rejecting this zone. I disliked. When you also, guys, if you are new here, make sure you go back to other previous videos to have a look at all of my trades today. All you have to do to make it easier for you is to go on like YouTube. Go on my account, and then you don't have to look at the whole live stream. You just go on. And then, like, for example, yesterday, you can take a look, and you just go to where there's a blue line on the thing. So, like, look, if you start here, you're like, oh, yeah. 1 second. Look, no trades. You wait until there's a blue line, like here. Yeah, and there we go. There's my trade yesterday. All live, so, I'm not a bullshit trader. I actually can trade. There we go. There's another trade in the next day. Right over here, so beautiful trade. Oh shit, it's lagging. So there's the other trade, and then yeah, just keep on going and have a look at them. Have a look at my setups. All pretty good. Ooh, runner's gonna be hit out of break even over here.
Oh yeah, baby, I'm back on my computer.
Hello, boy.
Oh, my power's been out. I've been sitting in my car for the last hour and a half. Phone on charge.
Did you take that trade or not?
Yeah, I got to hit a break even too.
Yeah, that's a shame. Oh well. To be fair, I put it in a bit too early, but I was just taking its time, and I was a bit worried about this zone here.
Yeah. Oh well, man. Shit happens.
Shit happens, mate. We still get NY. Hey, yeah, boy. But yeah, again, I mean, so.
We play CS:GO though. Oh, sorry, I just cut you off.
Yeah, fuck yeah. I'll play some CS soon. I need to film a lot of shit today, but later on I could do it for sure. Oh, but you fucking thing is, I have to play with you like after London streaming. That's probably the perfect time, isn't it?
Yeah, that's shot. It's like 1 a.m.
yeah, like NY, like fucking tired shit, bro.
All good, man. Plenty of time.
Oh my god, GPAUD over here. Holy smokes. That is a barcode. You stay the fuck away. Oh, look, so made the top wicket the 30. If it goes flips now, it should be pretty good to continue down over here. Oh, just push up though. Mad, beautiful. So what time is it now? It is 9:30. You know what happens at 9:30? We normally relax, we normally chill, because between 9:30 and 11:30 normally the volume is quite shit. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna wait until 11:30, 12 o'clock, and then come back to the charts NY session. If you guys do want to join the NY session, I will put the link in. You just sign up and you get the link instantly into the Telegram, and then that's where I put my link for the Zoom sessions, where you guys can talk to me, all that good stuff, ask me questions. So yeah, thank you very much for coming and tuning on, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video tomorrow for Friday. So yeah, make sure to come and join the mentorship if you guys do want some extra help, and I can teach you that, guys. So thank you very much on Zoom, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.
Yeah, legend.
See you later, my boys. See you later, alligator. Oh, it's not working. There we go. So see you later, YouTube. Thank you very, very much. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's play a cool thing over here. Peace out, guys. Peace out.